Hi, today I'm going to show you how to shade this dog. I'm going to show you how to draw out the outline by transferring an image to your paper, and you're going to make your own carbon paper, but it's graphite paper. Okay, so you just use pencil, put it on the back of a piece of paper. You can also put the graphite on the back of the picture of the dog if you want to, and we'll transfer this image onto your paper so that you can bring it to life. Okay, now I will do one where you can do freehand. I already have some videos up on how to draw freehand so that you don't have to trace the outline, and that's all we're going to do is trace the outline. So I did a painting on this today, showed you how to paint it. Now I'm going to show you how to fill it in with beautiful shadings of black and white pencil. So all you're going to do is draw over the line like you see, okay? And this will help you just put the shapes in place. It's not going to help you draw, because drawing is something that you can do freehand when you got lots of experience. But in order to do a drawing and get it started for shading it in, then you can trace the lines. See all these lines that you can trace? And that will help you fill in and bring it to life. This is great for learning how to shade. So you can see the outline is pretty light, okay? So if it's too light, press a little harder on your graphite and on your image. Just press a little harder, okay? So you push in, push on the edges here, all right? I kind of go back and forth to get it to come off. Good. So put in the lines that you see that will help you make a better drawing. Okay, so just the lines that you feel that you need that will help you draw better. So get all the lines in. See? Now there is the outline. Now all we have to do is bring it to life and make all the shading look beautiful. I like to use a lighter pencil first to draw over the lines again, just to darken them up a little bit. And I like to use a 2H pencil. Now I have other videos explaining what the different pencils do and what's the best ones to use. As we go through this, I will also let you know what pencils I'm using. And the 2H is for light lines. Because my pencils are, some of them are short, I use these pencil extenders. So you got a really short pencil. These extenders will let you keep your pencil a lot longer. Like this pencil here is really short. Look, I wouldn't be able to work with that. It would go past my thumbs. I wouldn't be able to work with it. So I use my extender, and that will help me keep that pencil for a nice while. It's a really short pencil that I showed you. And now I can use this pencil extender, and I can use this pencil now for a long time till it gets almost up to there. So I still got a nice while with it. And I get those, you can get those extenders on my Amazon shop. So everything I use, I order them from Amazon. And so I'll leave links to these materials in my description so you can check them out.